Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. Honor hosted an event over here in India and they launched the Honor 9 Lite. So today, let's talk about the top 5 features of this new phone. Without wasting any more time, let's begin. Starting off, at number 1, let's talk about design. Honor 9 Lite is made up of glass at the front as well as back, which makes the phone look really gorgeous. It is absolutely stunning, and I have to say I was getting bored of seeing the same design over and over again, but now we have a phone in that price segment which looks a class apart from everyone else, and the design gets a 10 out of 10 from my side. So in terms of design, well done Honor. Next up, at number 2, let's talk about the software. So Honor 9 Lite comes with Android 8.0 Oreo with a custom skin that is AMUI 8.0. So Android Oreo out of the box is a very big thumbs up from my side. Every company should do this. They should launch the phone with the latest Android version because come on, you're launching a phone and if you use a previous Android version and then after a few months you update the phone and call it as an upgrade, that is not the right thing to do. That's why you should launch a phone with the latest Android version, and Honor have done that at a price point of Rs 11,000, which again deserves a thumbs up. Well done Honor. Moving forward, at number 3, let's talk about that display. So Honor 9 Lite has an 18:9 display with a resolution of Full HD+. So a 1080 plus display on an 11,000 rupees smartphone, 18:9 aspect ratio with almost no bezels, nothing can go wrong. The display is more 2018, it is more futuristic, and I really like that factor. Next up, at number 4, we have them cameras. So this phone comes with 4 cameras. Yeah, you heard me right, not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 cameras. So 2 at the back and 2 at the front. Both are very similar in terms of configuration. So at the back you have a 13 megapixel camera that is a primary camera, and the second camera is a 2 megapixel camera. But the secondary camera is not used for clicking photos, it is just used for depth information. That means those portrait shots can be taken with the help of the secondary camera. The secondary camera will sense depth information and it will give you portrait mode. Now the similar situation occurs when you click photos with the front camera. The secondary camera is a 2 megapixel camera and the primary is again a 13 megapixel camera, and again the secondary camera is only used for depth sensing information. So the portrait mode is available on the front as well as the rear cameras. I am really excited for this camera setup at only 11,000 rupees. So at this price point, 4 cameras, I'm really excited for that, and especially I'm excited to check out the front camera and how well the portrait mode performs. Last but not the least, at number 5, we have the price of this phone. So the price is again a very good feature. It starts at 11,000 rupees for the 3GB and the 32GB variant. That is a very good thing. At 11,000 rupees, Honor is offering a lot over here. And finally, at this segment, we have a tough competitor to Xiaomi. So Xiaomi has been the king in the budget segment, but finally Honor launching a lot of smartphones in India is showing its intention to compete with Xiaomi directly. That's why I'm really excited about this phone and I will be buying it. So definitely hit the subscribe button down there because there is a ton of coverage that will be happening on this phone. It goes on sale on the 21st of Jan on flipkart.com and also on Honor's website. So I'll make sure to drop a link in the description box below. If you want to buy that phone, you can go ahead and check that out. So anyway, that's been it. This was a very quick video about the top 5 features of Honor 9 Lite. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel for awesome videos. You can follow me on my social media profiles to stay updated about me and my channel. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one.